Ever wondered about the magic hidden within that bottle of avocado oil in your kitchen? As we embark on this journey, we'll shed light on the enigmatic world of this emerald elixir, revealing its origins and its rising fame in the health community. Hailing from the heart of sunny Mexico, the humble avocado has been transformed into a rich, versatile oil that's quickly becoming a staple in health-conscious households worldwide. A favorite among chefs and nutritionists alike, avocado oil is more than just a trend. It's a testament to the power of nature and its ability to nourish us in unexpected ways. This extraordinary oil is teeming with essential nutrients and health benefits. From heart-healthy fats to powerful antioxidants, every drop of avocado oil is a step towards wellness. In this video, we'll delve deep into the nutrient content and health benefits that make this oil a superfood. Prepare to delve into the nutritious world of avocado oil and discover what makes it a superfood. Avocado oil is not just any ordinary oil, it's a nutrient powerhouse. Let's delve deeper into the world of this extraordinary substance. Avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, comprising around 70% of its total fat content. Now you might be wondering, aren't fats bad for us? Well, not all fats are created equal. Monounsaturated fats are the good kind. They help reduce bad cholesterol levels, potentially lowering your risk of heart disease and stroke. So when you're drizzling this green gold over your salad or using it to saute your veggies, you're actually doing your heart a favor. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Avocado oil is also a fantastic source of vitamin E. This potent antioxidant plays an essential role in maintaining healthy skin and eyes, as well as strengthening the body's natural defense against illness and infection. And because vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin, the high fat content in avocado oil helps your body absorb it more efficiently. And speaking of antioxidants, avocado oil is packed with them. These tiny but mighty substances help neutralize harmful free radicals in your body, protecting your cells from damage. Among these antioxidants, lutein stands out. This carotenoid is known for promoting eye health and could help protect against age-related macular degeneration. But that's not all. Avocado oil also contains plant sterols, compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammation and potentially ease arthritis symptoms. Plus, it has oleic acid, a fatty acid that can promote wound healing and support heart health. So whether you're using it to dress your salad, cook your steak, or even moisturize your skin, remember, you're not just using an oil, you're harnessing the power of a nutrient-dense elixir that can contribute to your overall health in many ways. As you can see, avocado oil is more than just a cooking ingredient, it's a potent source of essential nutrients. But what does all this nutrient goodness mean for your health? Well, let's dive right in and find out. Starting with the heart, avocado oil is a friend indeed. Rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, it helps to reduce bad LDL cholesterol levels while increasing the good HDL cholesterol. This balance is vital in preventing heart disease. The presence of beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol, further aids in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. A heart-friendly oil, wouldn't you agree? But the benefits don't stop at the heart. The skin, our largest organ, also reaps the rewards. Avocado oil is chock full of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that fights off the damaging effects of free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. It also promotes skin regeneration thanks to its high content of sterolin, a natural steroid. This makes avocado oil an excellent choice for those seeking to combat signs of aging or heal dry and damaged skin. Now, let's turn our gaze to the eyes. Avocado oil is a rich source of lutein, a carotenoid that's naturally present in your eyes. Consuming lutein can help replenish its supply, thus protecting your eyes from harmful blue light and reducing the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. But the goodness of avocado oil doesn't stop at your skin's surface or the depths of your peepers. It's also known to aid in nutrient absorption. You see, certain nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble, meaning they need fat to be absorbed into the body. The healthy fats in avocado oil serve this purpose, ensuring that your body gets the most out of the food you consume. Lastly, let's not forget the anti-inflammatory properties of avocado oil, which can help reduce symptoms in diseases such as arthritis. Thanks to its high levels of oleic acid and vitamin E, it's a powerful weapon against inflammation. Clearly, the health benefits of avocado oil extend far beyond the kitchen. So the next time you're reaching for that bottle of oil, consider making it avocado oil. Your heart, skin, eyes, and overall health will thank you. Now that you know the benefits, you might be wondering, how can I incorporate avocado oil into my diet? Well, the good news is that avocado oil is incredibly versatile and can be used in a multitude of ways in your kitchen. For starters, avocado oil is a great substitute for other cooking oils due to its high smoke point. This means you can use it for anything from sautéing vegetables to grilling meats. It's also perfect for baking, giving your baked goods a subtle, nutty flavor. But it's not just for cooking. Avocado oil can also be used in your salads and dressings, adding a delightful richness to your greens. Try it in your homemade mayonnaise or aioli. It's a game changer. Beyond the kitchen, you can also incorporate avocado oil into your diet by adding it to your smoothies for an extra dose of nutrients, or drizzle it over your popcorn for a healthier snack option. However, it's important to remember the rule of thumb when it comes to incorporating any oil into your diet. Balance is key. While avocado oil has many health benefits, it is still a fat and should therefore be consumed in moderation. Incorporating avocado oil into your diet doesn't mean you have to go overboard. Just a few changes here and there can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Remember, while avocado oil is beneficial, like all things, it should be consumed in moderation. So, there you have it, the nutrient-packed, health-boosting culinary superstar that is avocado oil. From its rich nutrient content to its numerous health benefits and its versatility in the kitchen, avocado oil truly shines as a dietary champion. Now, for a bit of fun, imagine a world where all nutrients have their own reality show, right? Well, guess what? They do, on Nutrient Nirvana Network, where the drama of vitamins and the suspense of minerals unfold. Stay tuned to Nutrient Nirvana Network for more enlightening insights into the world of nutrition.